Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us continue with the next question. So this question belongs to GATE CSE 2016 set 1 guys. Okay, so this question looks really easy, right? So once you see the question, what you will do, you will be using your normal mathematics. But the twist here is they gave the precedence table guys. So basically they gave the precedence as well as the associativity. Okay, yes. So let us start. So 2 minus 5 plus 1 minus 7 into 3. So what is the highest precedence guys? It is plus. So where we are finding plus? So substitute as solve it. Minus 7 into 3. What is the next precedence? So we are not having any more pluses. So what is the next? It is nothing but minus. So 2 minus, what is the associativity guys? Because we are having 2 minuses. So its associativity is from right? So right to left it is there. So that is the reason why these two will be solved first. Got it? Yes. So what will be the value here guys? Okay, so if you subtract 6 minus 7, right? So this is subtraction. So 2 minus 6 minus 7. So assume in that way. Don't get confused. Okay. So 6 minus 7. What will be the result guys? That is nothing but a minus 1. Okay. Into 3. Okay. So if you solve this, what will be the thing guys? It will be nothing but a 2 plus 3 into 3. Okay. So if you solve this, 2 plus 1 into 3. That is a 3 into 3. So what is 3 into 3? That is 9. So the result will be 9. D. So a silly mistake which most of the students will do here is, so they will subtract minus 6 minus 7. So what will be the result? The result will be minus 13. So minus 13 plus 2. The result will be, what will be the result guys? It will be 11. 11 into 3, 33. So this question is originally asked as a numerical type guys. It does not have options. I don't know why online whenever we are searching for most of the questions they are giving options. But most of the students will answer 33 guys because of a silly mistake. So the thing is, if you are subtracting a minus, so draw some brackets and deviate your confusions. So 6 minus 7 will be minus 1. It's not minus 15. Remember, okay? Yes. So the answer will be 9. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question, guys. Okay? Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.